Wakaflex is a self-adhesive flashing designed to replace lead in most modern roofing applications. Its common uses are abutment flashings. Wakaflex is easy to install as it is highly stretchable both in length and width. It has a unique self-welding effect which eliminates the need for specialist tools. It's non-toxic, lightweight with no scrap value and is acceptable by the NHBC. An ever-growing application for Wakaflex is the top saddle detail to seal dry valley junctions. Neat, quick and adheres to the surface, with the ability to stretch and seal to the profile of the valley for a weather-tight finish. Wakaflex is lightweight and has the ability to stretch, whereas lead needs to be installed at maximum lengths of 1.5 metres. Cut to a manageable length. Offer up above the chase, allowing for a minimum 30mm to turn into the chase. Check that the Wakaflex is square to the roof finish. Remove the top third of the Wakaflex backing film and turn into the chase. Using offcuts, make sure the Wakaflex is wedged securely into the chase. Ensure the Wakaflex is flat to the upstand and then, by hand, work to the profile of the tile. Start to remove the remaining backing film, ensuring you only remove as much as you can work with whilst keeping square, and again working into the profile of the tile, making sure the Butylon strip adheres to the roof surface. Once the Wakaflex is worked into place, complete the dressing with a flashing roller for a sharper, smooth finish, ensuring the Butylon strip is completely rolled in. This provides a watertight finish and prevents wind uplift. Complete by sealing the chase with either Klober flashing sealant or flashing glue. Further products in the Wakaflex range include the Uni Outlet, which is the equivalent to a lead slate. This is a universal way of sealing roof penetrations from 25mm up to 125mm on roofs with a pitch from 18 degrees to 45 degrees. The upstand cone is made from EPDM, which is marked up with sizes from 25mm to 125mm, each one being scored inside the cone. All that is needed is a small incision to then tear off at the size required, leaving a neat, uniform, tight finish to the roof protrusion. The apron is Wakaflex, which adheres to the roof, ensuring a watertight finish that prevents wind uplift. Our lead alternative range also includes EasyForm, our entry-level universal self-adhesive flashing solution to replace lead in most modern roofing applications. And EasyForm Plus is a strong universal flashing solution reinforced with a built-in metal grid.